vaqti, hurmatli mehmonlar, ertaga bo'lib o'tadigan Nasaf traktor jamoalari o'rtasidagi uchrashuvdan oldingi matbuot anjumanini boshlash arafasidamiz. Bu safar Nasaf jamoasi vakillari ishtirok etishadi. Jamoa bosh murabbiyi Ro'ziqul Akaberdiyev va jamoa futbolchisi Abduvohid Ne'matov. Dear gentlemen, we are ready to start our second part of our pre-match press conference before tomorrow's match, Nasaf against FC Tractor. So now we have invited Nasaf team officials, team head coach Mr. Ro'ziqul Akaberdiyev and team player Abduvohid Ne'matov. Savol javoblarga o'tishdan oldin murabbiy va futbolchilar ertangi o'yin oldidan fikrlarini eshitamiz qisqacha va undan keyin savol javoblarga o'tamiz. Ro'ziqul aka, ertangi o'yinga tayyorgarlik haqida, futbolchilarning kayfiyati haqida ikki og'iz.
Assalomu alaykum barchaga. Ta'kidlab o'tish kerak, bu turnirda biz guvohi bo'lyapmiz. Barcha jamoalar haqiqatda yuqori darajadagi jamoalar. O'sha uchun bemalol aytishim kerakki, ertangi o'yin ham bizni qiyin o'yin kutib turibdi. Biz yigitlarni o'ylaymanki, yetarlicha tayyorgarligini olib bordik. Ertaga albatta yaxshi natija umid etaman, maydonga chiqamiz. Bor mahorat menimcha ishga solamiz. Albatta muxlislarimizni xursand qilish uchun.
First question, coach said, I can say that you can see everybody that this season in Champions League Elite, every teams, the high-level teams, a lot of teams with good players. So for tomorrow match, I can say that we are ready for 100%, and tomorrow my players will try to show their best football. Abduvohid, xuddi shu savol ertangi o'yinga tayyorgarlik haqida.
Assalomu alaykum. Ertaga o'yinga kelsak, murabbiyimiz ta'kidlaganday, ertaga yaxshi jamoaga qarshi o'ynaymiz. Bu elit ligada endi yomon jamoa yo'q. Xudo xolasa biz muxlislarimizni xursand qilib, 3 ochko olish uchun ertaga maydonga chiqamiz. O'yinga tayyormiz.
A player said, as our coach mentioned, that tomorrow we expect very tough game against very difficult, very strong team. So from our side, I can say that we are ready for this match, and tomorrow we will our maximum to get first 3 points in this tournament.
Farqni ko'rsak, farqi bittada, traktorda o'sha jahon darajadagi yulduzlar, nomdor o'yinchilar balki ularga nisbatan o'tgan o'yinlarga nisbatan kamroqdir. Buni o'zlaring ham bilasizlar. Atak bu jamoada gapirishim kerak. Bu jamoa sifatida kuchli, juda katta tajribali o'yinchilar bor. Bu legionerlar ham, mahalliy futbolchilar ham, terma jamoa a'zolari bor. O'sha uchun bu jamoa haqida aytishim kerak, individual harakatlar emas, balki jamoa sifatida bu ancha shakllangan, o'yinni yaxshi tashkil qilib o'ynaydigan jamoa. O'sha uchun bularni o'ynagan o'yinlarimizdagi jamoalardan farq shunda deb bilaman.
There's a question about the difference between Tractor and other teams when Nasaf played before. Coach said that difference that it's mean that maybe in the Tractor squad don't have a lot of foreign player, world-class player, but as a team, as a disciplining team, they are very strong. First things, what I should mention, it's a discipline. They have a lot of players who played in national teams and also foreigner players with a discipline, with individually teams very strong. But as I said before, we are ready for fight against Tractor.
Endi Xudoga shukr, zvornida ham yaxshi o'ynab keldik. Endi ularni har biri nima deydi, xavfni bir kishidan kutmaysiz endi har biri baribir xavfli bo'ladi. Harakat qilaman maksimalni. Har bitta o'yinchisiga nima deydi, vнимательно turish kerak.
Undan Razobonni yaxshiroq biladi, ikkalasi o'rtog'i. O'sha uchun undan xavf kamroq kutadi.
The question was to goalkeeper, Nasaf team goalkeeper. Question was about last matches with the Uzbekistan national team. He played against Iran national team, and he know some players from Iran national team who can play tomorrow against Nasaf. Abdulwahid says that I can mention personally someone. They are strong as a team, and every player is dangerous, so we should just prepare for them. Oh, Renat again.
Renataga biz og'ir bosqichda bo'lib turibmiz. Bu juda ham og'ir bo'lyapti, jismonan ham ruhiy tarafdan. Shunga qaramasdan yigitlarimiz hamma narsani esdan chiqargan holda ertangi o'yinga chiqadi deb o'ylayman. Bu haqida yigitlarga tushuntirdik. Albatta bu holatga kelishiga albatta o'zimiz aybdormiz. Muxlislar oldida ham yuzimiz yorug' bo'lish uchun albatta ularga g'alaba taqdim qilishga bor harakatimizni, bor imkoniyatimizni ishga solib ko'ramiz. Yigitlar barchasi tayyor, faqat ba'zi bir o'yinchilarda endi familiyasini aytmayman, o'sha yengil travmalar, jarohatlar bor. O'ylaymanki, har bir futbolchi ertaga chiqib maksimal harakat qilishadi. Chunki avvalo muxlislarimiz oldida yuzimiz yorug' bo'lishi kerak. Bu birinchi masala. Albatta bu turnirda hali imkoniyatimiz yo'qolmagan, vaziyatni o'nglashimizga imkoniyatimiz bo'ladi ertaga. Bundan foydalanishga harakat qilamiz.
First question to coach about you have problems before tomorrow's match, maybe some injured player. Coach said last few matches for us was very difficult. Everybody know, our fans know that very stress situation, very difficult situation. But tomorrow for us it will be like a final match. Everybody expect, our fan expect, of course, good result, positive result, and we will try our best, our maximum skills tomorrow to get a positive result. Because if we win tomorrow, now we still have a chance to qualify the next, maybe a little chance, but we still have a chance. Second question for team goalkeeper Abdulwahid Nematov. Last matches, even when you played in the national teams, you showed your best skills, best players, and now you're one of the best players physically and mentally. And can we expect tomorrow same match like you played against Iran? Player said for sure, of course, I will try our maximum tomorrow. Savollar bormi? Bo'lmasa tugatamiz. Bu oxirgi savolga javob edi. E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat. Jamoaga ertangi o'yinda omad tilaymiz.